Unplug the battery. Make sure I put the screws back in its rightful spot.
What screw?
Unplug the connectors. It's 1, 2, 3. I like to go from the side so you don't touch any chips. 4. Put the phone to the side. You gotta make sure you don't mix up any screws. Six screws holding the metal sides. Unclip the home button. Let's get it out of here. Add a little bit of heat to loosen up the glue. It's a little bit easier to take the button out.
Alright, I came just for the candy, man. Thank you very much. Sorry for the trouble with this thing, okay? And I already told my friend about the 5. I may even sell you mine. Oh, you did? Yeah. No worry, no hurry. I have a Galaxy S1. Okay, I'll let you know. Thank you so much.
Carefully transfer the flex. Now this right here. Unglue this as well. Not too much heat, just a little bit. Be careful with this flex. Sometimes it's easier if you lift this shield, you can get it better. Also, don't forget to take out this loudspeaker, ear speaker, I'm sorry, and the proximity and the front facing camera. that that's out, be really careful with this area right here, which is the microphone for your loudspeaker. Don't tug, just take your time. Alright, now that we carefully got that off, that releases that, which is your front camera, proximity, light sensor, and your loudspeaker microphone. Now if you want to try to lift this up this way so you can get a better shot of taking this out. You can warm up this side, get a little bit hotter, and make it easier to take off. This phone's never been taken apart before, so it's not as easy as some people make it seem. Successfully took that off. There's a cable that runs all the way down, so in case it rips, it is replaceable. And there you have it, broken part. All right, got the new part. All right, take this red film off. I like to put this back on first. That down, touch that. Okay, put the side screws back in first. There are 6 of them. Put the home button back in. It's my personal preference on the order I put everything back together. Plug the home button back in. Put the plate back on. Okay. Turn it over, make sure it clicks, and it does. Now we're going to put the top flex back in. the adhesive off. Ours actually came with a new mic. I mean, ear gasket for the ear speaker. So I'm gonna take our old one off, so we don't need it anymore. Put the microphone down first. Just like that. Go ahead and put everything back in its place. That goes there. Okay. Now, grab the speaker. Make sure that this part is situated in there really nicely, because then it's going to sound muffled. Put that down, put that over it. Sure the camera's sitting good in its place. Now we're going to have to put this back on there. Hold it with your finger. This piece is actually going to go under this one, I believe. No, never mind. Cool. So there you have it. Now grab the phone. Go ahead and plug the battery back in. Put the bracket back on. Okay, now that we have the phone, we have the screen complete. When you turn it over, you should see the connectors like so. So medium, small, big, and then the prox and the front camera. I already went ahead and I plugged the battery back in, put those two screws back in for the bracket. Now let's plug in the screen. Now the phone is still off. We want to keep it off until we have everything secured inside. Carefully plug these in because they are really, really fragile. Go ahead and put the bracket on. I like to put the middle screw in first. Make sure all the screws are back in the exact same spot they came out of. It's very important. Alright, last screw. sure these grooves all line up. And slide it all the way back, no gaps. Press it down. Turning on, go ahead and put the two pentalobe back in. There you are.